Welcome to Home Culture. My back patio needs a good clean to get it ready for summer. To help me, I picked up from Home Depot the Ryobi 12-inch surface cleaner for electric pressure washers. As in my past reviews, this video is not sponsored by Ryobi. This is the Ryobi 12-inch surface cleaner for electric pressure washers. Ryobi states it's compatible with most electric pressure washers up to 2300 psi. The underside features two rotating angled nozzles that spray water, and the circular housing has a bristle skirt around the edge. This skirt helps contain the spray and provides some agitation on the surface being cleaned, while the nozzles provide the cleaning power. There are also three caster wheels which allow the surface cleaner easy maneuverability. The pressure washer wand connects to the surface cleaner by a standard 1/4 inch quick connect. This arm also allows 90 degrees of movement. My back patio has a smooth concrete finish with several cut lines or control joints. Over the past year, lots of debris has accumulated into these joints. Now, in the past, using a pressure washer would result in debris and splash flying out and onto the windows, doors, and walls. The surface cleaner was able to nicely contain the spray while cleaning the joints and the surface of the patio. And because of the quick connect, I was able to easily switch to the normal pressure washer wand to wash away the dirt and the debris. This area of the patio had a planter on it, and it left this mark, which I thought could be a good test for the surface cleaner. I went over the area a couple of times, and it looked like it did a decent job. But once it began drying, I could still see the outline of the planter. I did a second pass with the pressure washer and a 15-degree nozzle to see if it would do a better job. You can see the results. Now, to be fair, I did spend a lot more time in this area with the pressure washer than with the surface cleaner. What I do like about the surface cleaner is that it makes cleaning jobs easier and quicker. I also like that the bristle skirt prevents any splash and spray, but this does lead to dirt and debris accumulating on the underside. And even though it hasn't happened to me, I can see how this debris can cause the rotating nozzles to become clogged. The surface cleaner does come with a handy wire tool to clean out the nozzles if this does occur. It would be nice if there was a method of storing or securing this tool to the cleaner other than some tape, as I feel that it can become lost or misplaced otherwise. Moving the surface cleaner was smooth and easy with its caster wheels, and the wheels appear to be very sturdy. Now, due to the position of them, the surface cleaner did slightly tip at times as I moved it from side to side. So, do I consider this a good buy? It definitely makes surface cleaning easier and quicker, and there is very little splash or spray with it. It does a decent job with cleaning, is easy to use with the quick connect, and it appears to be made of nice hard plastic with sturdy caster wheels. So yes, for me, it was a good purchase. Well, that's it for this quick review. If you have any thoughts or comments on this video, leave them in the comments section below. Thank you for watching. And if you like our videos, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. It really helps with the YouTube algorithms.